Today we have this small Yeahbox. It's very cheap, it's very lightweight. It has the tendency to also not have the big battery, sadly. But also the overall performance is pretty solid. It has a decent bass performance, it has a very bright light show, and even though the tweeter is a bit up angled behind the fabric cover, you do still have a very nice clarity of sound. It does have the tendency to sound a bit duff on one side, especially because the tweeter is here and it's a bit weird angled. You do have the highs on this side of the speaker, but if you have it a little bit off axis on the other side, you do have a bit more muffled sound than other speakers with this dual tweeter and racetrack driver setup. Though the overall performance is pretty solid, and while it does have a bass mode, I did notice with the bass mode, don't worry, I have some samples in this video where it has the tendency to go a lot above its limits from its drivers. But on a normal EQ, it's a very nice performance. The sound is neutral, but still with a tad of a bass performance. But also the overall experience has been pretty nicely done in the sound performance. It's just said that the build quality is typical Yeahbox quality, so it's not bad, but it's definitely a lot lower than JBL, for example, but even lower quality than the Miva speakers or the Soundcore speakers, even though those speakers are also not very expensive as well. The Yeahbox also reminds me a lot of the Weeking speakers. It makes sense because they do produce all of these brands together in one factory. Sadly, because Weeking lately has been kind of a terrible brand, even with others like Ann Ross, but even with me, they decided to also ignore me because I wasn't 100% positive about the X20S. Again, I had to buy that speaker myself. I luckily was able to sell it to a friend of mine, but yeah, I decided to no longer test any Weekend speakers. So they are also on the list now from like Soundcore, for example, because these brands, they don't appreciate feedback and they just don't really improve their speakers over time with any feedback. With this brand, it's just a bulk brand, so I don't really mind if Yeahbox doesn't want to send things. I also don't really mind if they don't even look at these videos, because it's a big bulk brand that doesn't really care about it anyways. It's an alright speaker, but no quality for sure. So without further ado, here are a few samples. We'll start with the normal EQ and then we go to the bass EQ. But I have to warn you, the bass EQ is pretty terrible with too much over limitation powering.
There's still dust on the fiddle, but it's calling my name. Every scratch, every rattle got a story of pain. Yeah, this tiny little heart got a long, long way. With dust on the fiddle, I'm gonna play it anyway. Letters in a kitchen drawer, her last words I don't read no more. Just a bow and a busted case, holding what I'm scared to face.
I'm late and I'm loving the crime. Mirror said, who do you think you are? I said, baby, I think I'm the vibe. Little smirk on my coffee, lipstick stain, black caffeine. If you're not ready for the spotlight, don't stand this close to me. Used to tuck my shine in my sleeve, used to shrink so you'd feel tall. Now I walk in, take my seat like I paid for the whole room, walls and all. Hey, I walk in like thunder.
Dust. We swear we're done, then we get on the bus. You call, I don't breathe. Your name tastes bitter, but it's all that I eat. We keep dancing in a circle, round and round.
little halo. Turn my panic into a cheers. Oh, stranger with a bright smile. You turned a bad day into a dance. Who knew a 5-minute miracle could give my heart another chance? You didn't even ask my name, just wanted to call for a little while. I'll never see you again, but I remember. Stranger with a bright smile. Stranger with a bright smile. Yeah, yeah. You joked, guess the storm.
Schwarze Wellen unter meinem Brustkorb, Herz schlägt schwerwiegend, Schmuckel täuscht auf, Augenrot, doch ich seh immer noch klar. Jede Narbe, mein Kalender, jedes Jahr war hart. Keiner war da, als der Winter mich fraß. Hab gelernt, wie man läuft auf zerbrochenem Glas. Fremde Blicke, doch die kennen mich kaum. Sehen nur das Eis, nicht den brennenden Traum. Schwarze Wellen, schwarzer Schlaf in der Nacht. Zieh mich runter, doch ich reiß mich wieder wach. Ganze Welt auf meinen Schultern, wie Gepäck, doch ich trag das. Auch wenn alles jetzt zerbricht, schwarze Wellen, aber Bruder, ich schwimm. Wenn ich fall, steh ich auch wieder drin. We stepping slow, shoes on stone, markers smoke on my clothes. I stay low, but I know every face in the zone. Hear that hush in the drum line. One more move and it's showtime. Hold your ground, let it roll now. When I call, we go bold now. Cool showtime. Cool showtime. We run this block. Cool showtime. Cool showtime. Tell me who you see when I turn around. Round us right.